Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is the new Spectrum Collection mystery box. Now they've brought out 3 different boxes. They have the same products in them, but they have different set of brushes, and that's what differs between them all. They all cost £39.99 and they all have a value of around £126. There is shipping and tax at checkout, but I managed to find a code. Instead of paying an extra £5, I ended up getting that off plus 50p or something like that. Anyway, if I can find that code again, I'll pop it down below with a link to these mystery boxes and any other offers that Spectrum have on their website. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. I do have a refer a friend code, but unfortunately this time it doesn't work on these boxes. It's all 15% off anything on their website. Well, I say anything. It used to work on these boxes, so I will try it again, because when I bought this one I tried it to see if it would work and it didn't work, but you never know. But if there's anything else on the Spectrum website that takes your fancy, you're welcome to use my code if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I haven't had a look yet, so I'm really excited. Spectrum Cinema now showing Spectrum Sisters Started from the Garage. I love the packaging. So as well as this, I received these. They've sent them separately because they can't fit in the box. So you'll no doubt receive brushes separately. But what is really confusing, they sent me 2 identical. So I think they've made a mistake there. If you've bought a mystery box recently, please let me know what you received and whether you received 2 sets. It doesn't make any sense why they'd send you 2. So I'm assuming it's a mistake. Come in handy for a Christmas present. Okay, oh, I can see Emily in Paris. So there's that. Let's go for that first. What have we got here? It's a 4-piece brush set. Love the packaging. I love it. I can't wait for the next season of Emily in Paris to start on Netflix, which is soon. It says, find adventure with our 4-piece travel size brush set inspired by Emily and a love of Paris. This set is for those who want to say oui to possibility. Oh, they're so cute. Aren't they? They're really, really gorgeous. Okay, let's get the big one out. Super soft, as Spectrum brushes are amazing. They're really, really nice and soft. They're great brushes. We got an A29, B06 and an A16. So there's that. Oh, we got one of these. Oh, these are fab. A few months ago, I bought one of these, a grapefruit one. What have we got here? Sea salt and vanilla. I bought one of these and I bought a hanging toweling cloth to put your brushes in. It's got a little hanger, which is so handy. But this is amazing. One of you lovely lot messaged me to say, Claire, if you've never tried one of these, try it. It's basically a brush cleansing soap. But look at this, look at this. So you've got the soap there, but look at the lid. So you dampen down your brush, swirl it in here, which, oh, that smells nice as well. Yeah, my other one does. And then you use the lid, so it's all contained. I really, really like them. I think they retail for about £9.99. It smells like aniseed. What is it? Sea salt and vanilla. Yeah, it's got like an aniseed smell. Yeah, so really happy to have another one of those. Is that? I got a pinch pot. This is Balm Blush in shade Joyful. I already have one of these because it was a freebie. They had an offer running the last time I ordered with them, and you were able to get one of these for free, which again I think is, oh, I can't remember. I think they're about £15, something like that. But you've got a gorgeous little brush there and the little pot, and I'm sure I got this shade. It is really nice. Oh, you can tell I haven't washed my hand. I just did another unboxing. Apologies. Yeah, you can see the colour there. It's lovely. I'm sure it's the same one. It looks similar, the colour I mean. I'll have to check. If not, I'll give it to my daughter. It's got a pinch pot and brush, a blush and brush. Then we've got a mini dark matter black mascara. I'm sure they put these in every single mystery box. I'm sure I've had the same one. If it's the same one, my lashes doesn't like it. But I'm not too sure. I can't remember. It looks the same, but dark matter. I can't remember. Then we've got Spectrum Marvelous Wonder Sponge Set. Oh, we got two little eggs there. So we've got 2 makeup sponges, a little mini one, a larger one. Squidgy, squidgy. There we have got, oh, a pink grapefruit lip balm. Looks like. Oh my god. It smells amazing. Pink grapefruit, it just smells absolutely amazing. That is gorgeous. I can't try it now because I've got lipstick on, but oh, that's so nice. I'm going to pop that in my handbag straight away, or pop it in my car. Oh wow, pink grapefruit. Yeah, I love that. Then we've got a Beauty Tools scrunchie, a comb and a sleep mask. Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at the comb. It says Spectrum on it. Oh, I really like that. That is so, so nice. A little satiny scrunchie there, which is good for going to sleep in, so don't damage your hair. What's it say here? We've got a little mask then that says Beauty Sleep. Yeah, so that those 3 come together. Then we've got these Marvelous 6-piece Marvelous set. Oh my word, I love brushes. I love them. I've got so many brushes, but I don't care. Oh, look at those. Look at those. They are gorgeous, aren't they? Oh, I love it. So let's take them out then, one by one. So you've got an A10 brush, a fan brush, you've got an A01, a large face brush for powder, super, super soft, really soft. Then we've got a B01, which would be great for buffering contour or cream bronzer or blush or even foundation. You've got a A04, which would be a nice blush brush. Got A18, nice flat rounded one. This is B06, fluffy rounded brush there for blending. Gorgeous set. I love the white set. It's just classic. I absolutely adore it. So to go for everything, got a set of 6 brushes. We've got a sleep mask, a scrunchie and a hair comb. We've got a brush cleansing soap. We've got makeup sponges. We've got a mascara. We've got a lip balm. We've got a pinch pot blush with brush. And lastly, an Emily in Paris, a 4-piece travel brush set. The cost of the box is £39.99 and I can't remember the value of it. I did know this, the value was £126. I think this is my favourite box so far. I think there's some really lovely products in there. Yes, I might already have the pinch pot, the colour, Joyful. I think I have, but it doesn't matter. My daughter will love it anyway if it is the same as what I've already got. Really, really happy to have the cleansing soap and the lip balm and the Emily in Paris little mini brushes. I just think it's gorgeous. Yeah, really, really nice. Would make a nice gift for someone as well. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get one for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.